Welcome back to my Outdoor Cociná. My name is Carlos, and today we'll be making a shrimp taco. We go to a restaurant in the big city, and my wife likes these tacos that they called Gobernador. Gobernador. Yeah, that one. It's like the governor, but it's in Spanish, and it's packed with cheese. It has shrimp, and then they have sauces there for us to put on. But I'm gonna add a little couple of things for me because I like vegetables in my food. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna go inside and check out what the vegetables is, and we'll be right back. All right, so what's going on in here? So we're gonna be making our shrimp with some green onion and a serrano, and then we're gonna be garnishing it with some cilantro, or maybe even just make it with these three on the grill, and then we're gonna garnish it with some coleslaw, with a little bit of thin sliced onion, and an avocado. So let's go outside. All right, we're back outside. We're ready to put the shrimp on the Blackstone. So hang in there. We'll start off with a little bit of butter. We're running more or less about medium low. And here we go. All right, now we're gonna put in some of the Kinder's tequila lime seasoning. I heard so much about it, so we're gonna try it in today. And a little bit of garlic. All right, we got some Kinder's dipping sauce. We have the Baja Taco. We're gonna put some a little bit on one and try it out. Let's check it out. Let me get this a good hold of this one, because I don't want nothing to fall off of this my taco. All right, here we go. That's taco number one. Now, I had a garnish of a little bit of cabbage with a little bit of onion. I'm gonna put that on my second one, along with my Baja Taco. It has I think this is the one that has a chipotle and lime, so it tastes pretty good with the first taco. So I'll see about the second one. There you go. Just a good close up what it looks like. A little cheese coming out of my mouth. Cabbage and red onion, or by itself, it's great. This recipe will be one of my top shelf recipes on my channel. So I'll be putting the total recipe, cook time, how hot I was going, and so everybody can know. You don't have to be cooking outside. You can do this all inside also as well. All right, guys, I'm gonna go finish turning these other tacos for Nino and the boss, and we'll see you next time. Man, I forgot the main ingredient, the avocado and the lime. Forgot about those, but here we are. A little bit of squeezed lemon, a little bit of avocado. Oh yeah, this is top shelf, guaranteed. So try it at home. Now we're done. We'll see you next time.